next fight I would like to put on, I know Keith Thurman got hurt. I would like to either when Errol Spence is about to fight. Me with the promotion would love to put on Errol Spence and Adrian Broner.
Wow.
That's a good fight. Or Sean Porter and Adrian Broner. We don't really want to bring Maidana name up because, he made so much money with Floyd Mayweather. He was able to retire, which is a great thing. And I'm very proud of Maidana. Real tough competitor, tough and rough competitor. So he wasn't an easy task. That wasn't an easy task for Adrian. In the first round, when we fought, he came out tough and hungry, but just with experience. Experience plays a major key, and what I did was I had a game plan. I broke him down and outboxed him. And actually, if you go back and look at both fights, I beat him easier the first time than I did the second time. But the second time, more movement. And that's what I was kind of giving that advice to Tank in the back today. Certain pivots, certain turns. And that's what it's about. Giving these guys advice and helping these different fighters.
Errol Spence is not a good look for Broner. There are rumors circulating out there that Errol Spence stopped Broner in sparring. He KO'd him. Other rumors are saying he hurt him real bad and they had to stop the sparring session. Okay, Sean Porter defeated Adrian Broner 11 rounds, and Maidana is retired, so he's not coming back. He's done. He's overweight, and it's over with. Okay. Adrian Broner needs to take some time off and resolve his issues outside the ring. He may go to jail. I would like to see Adrian Broner take some time off and just think about all these, get all his act together, okay, and clean up his act, and come back and fight someone like, I would say, Berto. Berto will be a good fight, okay, for him. I would stay away from Robert the Ghost Guerrero, okay. I would stay away from him. I would go with Danny Garcia before I would go with Robert the Ghost Guerrero. Although you may argue, well, Danny Garcia defeated Guerrero, but styles make fights, and Guerrero is the wrong style for Broner. Okay, I think he has a good chance against Danny Garcia, and it will be a huge fight. Okay, Errol Spence is not a known name as of yet. It will be a step back for Broner. Broner will be doing a huge favor to TMT and Floyd by fighting Errol Spence. Errol Spence has Chris Algieri in front of him in a month or so, so we'll see how he does. Okay, but other than that, I think Floyd is pointing out all the fighters that Broner lost to, and I think that Floyd is not happy with what Broner said about him. And he's reminding the public that this guy wants to fight Floyd, and he had, he lost to Maidana, and Floyd defeated Maidana easily. Okay, so he's just reminding us that that Broner has no right calling him out. That's about it. Then he's saying it in a different way. That's all, folks. Please don't forget to subscribe. Until then, thank you and good night.